Hey, I'm T2 World's Trev here from Monthly Missions. I'm currently at a Toronto Airbnb in Etobicoke, to be exact. And I've just clocked out of my Airbnb. I just had to get it for one night. I came back a day early from Parry Sound because the car I rented, a Bentley Flying Spur, needed brake work. So this is my loaner. This is what I'm going to be driving. It's a Mercedes-AMG C63 S. This thing is a monster. This thing is so freaking powerful. Look at the rear wheels on it, like a foot wide. This thing just wants to go. You step on the gas and it just wants to go. So it's a convertible drop top. And let's get in it, go for a drive. I'm gonna put my luggage away. I'm gonna drop the top. So push button start. So I'm gonna push this button here. Gonna make the roof retract. So anyways, I get out, put my luggage in, and then we go for a drive. First, I'm going to try to set this up. Oh, I don't think this is going to work. Okay, I think I've got this set up. Boy, it took some finagling. Okay, I'm gonna put my luggage in. Okay, here we go, folks. This should be fun. I've never driven a convertible before. Listen to the snarl of this engine. It just wants to go.
Now turn left onto Bergamot Avenue. In 100 meters, turn left onto Islington Avenue. Now turn left onto Islington Avenue.
sure is wild driving something with like a convertible like this, something with the roof off. It is really neat feeling.
Prepare to turn right.
Using the paddle shifting, and it's just automatically making it go into manual, and it is hardcore power. It's in second right now, and
In 300 meters, turn right onto Dixon Road.
we're off to see my friend Brian. Good long time
Now
friend.
turn right onto Dixon Road. Prepare to turn right and then immediately turn right again onto Pointer Drive. Now turn left onto Dixon Road. Prepare to turn left. In 300 meters, turn right and then immediately turn right again onto Peachtree Path. Prepare to turn right and then immediately turn right again onto Pointer Drive. In 300 meters, turn right and then immediately turn right again onto Pointer Drive. Now turn right and then immediately turn right again onto Pointer Drive. Now turn right onto Pointer Drive. Prepare to turn right.
This is all Brian's backyard from his condo. It is way up high.
In 200 meters, turn right to your destination.
I don't think this is it. I think this is seriously confused.
At the end of the road, turn left onto Stapleton Drive.
Anyways, that's just a small little cruise here in Toronto, in the Etobicoke area, in this beautiful Mercedes convertible. I never thought I'd ever say Mercedes and beautiful in the same sentence. Never been a Mercedes lover, but wow, this thing has torque. This thing is powerful. Anyways, I better sign out. Dreadful Monthly Mission, sign out. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Helps the algorithm, please. Thanks very much. Take care.